Boss B! Sa'yo ka? Let's go! Sean! Mark Robleza, Venon, Mikey Nepomuceno. Bosch. Against number 0, Jeru, Chockley, Magday, Damasco. Game na po. Start of the first shot.
Matawa ka.
Tatawa ko, first count, isang count na naman yun.
Game na, game na! Boss B.
Sinusado again by Benoy. Putang na, pinakasasata na. Wala.
Yan, next year. Ingat, ingat.
15 seconds to shoot 2 points by Jeru. Benoy versus mga baby boy.
Tutoy.
Mark Robleza, pass to Idol, take 3. Wala, limabal. Magday. Magday, pass to number 0. Intercepted.
Inakaso si Boss
Mark
B.
Robleza, pass to Mikey, pass to Jeru. Kibigyan, boy. 9 minutes exactly. Wala, limabal. Benoy. Wala pa rin.
Hindi magkano daw?
76.
Bigas ko lang, okay lang.
2 points by Mikey.
Hindi ka na yan.
GGS ko lang lang siya. Oo, okay.
The shoot.
Tutoy.
8 minutes and 30. Long 2. Wala, limabal. Number 0. Wala, limabal. Number 0 again. 2 points by Mark Robleza.
7930. 3480. 3480. 6. 2 points. Ha? 2 points?
Oh, 2 points.
Thank you.
Score!
Sakit nun, lamok yun ah.
Score!
Ingat.
6-4 in favor of Team Tutoy. Next game, sir. 14 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Wala. Wala pa rin. Hindi mo pa Mikey. Seconds to shoot. Take 3. Bound to rebounds by number 0. 9-4. Jeru taking 3 again. Took the rebounds by Jeru. 9-7 in favor of Team Benoy. Foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 9-7. 14 seconds to shoot. Taking 2. Wala, limabay. Damasco.
Wala pa din.
Rebound by number 0.
Ay, panis kay Tutoy yan.
Pinasa sa kalaban. Ang losing yun. Behind the back pass. Damasco. Pass to Jeru. Taking 3. Wala, limabay. Nobleza. 9-7. Wala ba? Chockley count. 15 seconds to shoot. Hindi pa ako yan. Hindi naman na shoot eh. 9-7 sila, 9-7. Taking 3. 3 points. 12-7.
Uy, backcourt.
15 seconds to shoot. Ivan taking 3. Wala, rebound by number 0. 2 points by number 0. 9-12. Benon, pinababa. Out of bounds. Hindi mahinga. Huwag ka muna agad mamamatay, boss.
Kailangan ng nebulizer.
15 seconds to shoot na lang po.
Mikey.
2 points
Bang!
by Mikey.
Kondisyon kasi may bebe.
49. 2 points by Magday. 11-14, 3-point lead by Team Benoy. Wala. 2 points by Magday.